Welcome back to the channel. It is time for me to do a refill on my builder gel. Doing the refill on a builder gel is no different than doing a refill on a regular acrylic set, just a few little tweaks. To remove the polish, I'm just going to go in with my 5-in-1 drill bit. I'm really focusing on the center of the nail to remove most of the polish, and I'm just saving the perimeters for the sanding bit because I made a mistake and kind of got too close to the edges of my nails with this bit, and y'all, it burned like hell. Don't ever do that. Because the thing is with the builder gel, when you do refills, you be having to go in and build up spots that you weren't able to build up as much as you did the first go around. So my sides were kind of a little thin. As I file off this polish, you are going to see that I do have some greenies on my nails. Let me tell you what happened. If you're new here, I do my own acrylic nails. Now, what I did was something that I always fuss at my clients about. Going too long without getting a refill. I'm not gonna lie, I always dread doing my nails just because I don't like doing my not dominant hand. So I would definitely prolong and procrastinate that process when it got time for me to do the builder gel nails on myself, and just to practice that little technique. When I took it off, I noticed I had some greenies on my fingers. Now, if you don't know what a greenie is, it's just when water gets trapped underneath the acrylic nail and the bacteria builds up on your nail and it ends up turning green from water or moisture. Now, in order for them to go away, you have to just naturally let them get some oxygen and they'll grow out. Being that I am a nail tech and I like for my nails to be done as good advertisement, I chose to put builder gel on instead of me doing the acrylics. Just because I feel like the builder gel is more lighter than the acrylic, and builder gel is less likely to lift as long as you do the correct prep, and it's easy for me to watch the spots and remove the product if need be. But on the lighter side, I purchased these wooden cuticle pushers, which I bought intentionally so I wouldn't have to clean all those utensils, disinfect, do all the extra stuff. Makes things faster. As I'm using a cuticle pusher, I am lifting up the cuticles just a little bit. So when I go in with my mini sanding bit, I could get underneath there, get all that good stuff, and have great prep. And look how smoothly this sanding bit is removing all that excess polish that was around the perimeter. It's literally no extra work. You're going to clean it up anyways. I just decided that I was just going to file that chip part off of my nail and not try to salvage it because I'm just going to file the rest of my nails down as well. So it made sense. Using my alcohol to rub down and dehydrate my nails, and you want to make sure that you rub them down real good. If you want to see more detail about how to apply the builder gel from start to finish, make sure you check out my how to do builder gel one-on-one video. It is on my channel. Go check it out. I go into further detail about it. This, I'm just going to go into detail about doing the refill process mainly. The part that's grown out that we're going to refill, you want to make sure you put the base coat on there Get it in there real good, and you just don't want to apply the base coat to the part that's grown out like how you usually do acrylic. You want to apply it to the whole entire nail because you don't know what parts of the nail has chipped that you have to build up. When it is time to apply the builder gel, I make sure that there is more product on the refill part than the rest of the nail. So I put the product on, and then when I come down the nail, instead of me building it up, I just flatten it out and drag the brush along with it. Unless you want to build up the entire nail. But you don't really have to because there are already extra product on it. You don't want it too thick. After that, I'm just going to go in with my thin liner brush and move the product around where I need it be. And that's it. I'm just going to repeat on all the rest of my fingers. And make sure you flash cure to keep that product in place. Make sure that you wipe off the tacky layer with some acetone and some alcohol just to make sure all that residue is gone before you start buffing, because you do not want that product in your buffers and it's just going to be a whole mess. I have definitely been obsessed with doing cat eye. Want to know why? Because it's easier for me to do it and still look cute and still look like I did the most, especially when it comes down to doing my opposite hand. So today I wanted to put a cute little design on it because I put it on my client's hand and I feel like copying today. I did, but I wanted to put a little twist on it. But I was really indifferent about pink or purple, but I just ended up going up with pink. In my recent Nail Chronicles video, I have a playlist where I tell all my crazy client story times while practicing my nails. So if y'all haven't checked that out, go ahead and check that out. I was practicing my cat eye and I think I got a little better. Just a little. I'm still trying to get the gist of it, but it's a work in progress. So the design that I'm doing today is the cherry hearts design. I'm pretty sure that y'all have seen them, but tell me why. As I was using my dotting tool, about to draw my cherries out, making life easier for me, I forgot to put my chrome proof matte top coat on. Now I gotta wipe it all off and start over again. I decided to do the hearts pink chrome so it could kind of coincide with the pink shiny cat eye. I thought that would be kind of cute because they'll like contrast but still match each other in a way. Now let's try this process over again the right way. I thank you guys so much for watching, and do not forget to comment down below how you felt about this video, how you feel about my nails, the greenie and all. I'm okay to take an opinions, okay? And if you lasted this long in the video, make sure you comment me a heart, a Christmas tree, anything down below. Anything will suffice. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye.